I'm here at Neway Wheels with Lou. My wheels have been refurbished, renovated, restored, and I'm really happy with it. Lou's putting my new tires, which are Continentals, on. It's just putting a valve in there now. I'll come back to that, but here it is at Neway Wheels. They're all fully equipped with new equipment to restore wheels. There's Tyre over there, one of the owners, and this is just half of the factory. And this is, he was explaining to me, this is the machine that does the diamond CNC cutting of the wheels. So it's all kitted up, and it's an awesome place, Neway Wheels. Here we go, the tires going on. No spiders in that one, Lou?
Nah, not that I can see. I feel it's only the one. Yeah, no, nothing in this one.
The tire goes on. Machine grabs it. See, they're ultra careful. They put tape on the rim so it doesn't run any risk of the machine scratching the new finish. Yep. And there you go. He's turning it by hand rather than the machine. And that's how you get a tire on a rim. Now he gets the tape off. Lou's going to fill it up with air, and that's 2 done. That's the wheel popping. Done. So it's fairly extensive work they do here. They cut the wheels right back. You can see there's some rims over there that have been sandblasted, and all the original finish has been taken off. If the rims are scratched up, what they'll do is they still do a bit of work by hand to straighten anything or take any scratches out, deep scratches. My rims were really in bad shape. They were from a wrecker, and now they look like they're brand new. The final step will be to balance, and Lou will do all 4 wheels before balancing. Thanks for watching. So this is Jai painting the primer on the wheels, and the big water thing at the back is to stop the paint from spreading everywhere.